Alright, today's topic is weird noises. This video was brought to you by Ty Pitts, the owner and creator of this channel, including me, Zach, Cusack P. Subscribe. Alright, let's start. What? Oh my God.
That's gross.
Oh man, I got a headache now. I probably shouldn't burp. On fart.
That's
God, my neck killed me! My brother, kid in the green shirt. Alright. What other people can I do? Good eye, mate! Hey, but hey, but look for a map of gold. Where's the map of gold? I didn't think there was a people behind me.
oh wow.
Leakage! Leakage!
I peed. I'm sorry. You know, just.
Hey, not on me, you faggot! You retard! Okay. What other noises do you want me to make? I'm a 13-year-old boy and I can freaking just scream like a girl. Watch.
No. You made a kid drop his neck.
Yeah. And all I have to say is subscribe. Cusack P. See ya.